Empire Damansara is a mixed development that aims to satisfy business and lifestyle needs. It is nestled in the heart of Damansara Pradana in Petaling Jaya. It houses 5 components of Empire Residence: Empire Soho 1, Empire Soho 2, Empire Studio, Empire Detached Office and a hotel called Click Damansara. This stylish development is developed by Mammoth Empire Group and completed in 2013. Apart from that, there are plenty of popular shopping malls nearby such as Tesco, The Curve, IKEA, Icono, Cineleisure, and One Utama. Also, there are other convenient amenities such colleges, hospitals, restaurants and banks within the vicinity. Well, today's video is about Central Park Damansara. Central Park Damansara is a 61 acres new township with integrated office, residential and retail hub located in Damansara Pradana, Petaling Jaya. It consists of Derica Residences, Cosmos Residences, Quince Residences and Vervain Residences. The rapid development of Central Park construction show there is not hiccup in the total plan of completion by EXSIM Group. Set within the vibrant complex of Central Park Damansara, this project is surrounded by mature neighborhoods like Mutiara Damansara, Bandar Utama, Damansara Utama, Kota Damansara, Taman Tun Dr. Ismail, Desa Park City and Tropicana. Serviced by a network of major highways, expressways, roads and public transports. Shopping malls, restaurants, educational institutions, medical centers, recreational parks and a wide range of amenities are all within easy reach. That's all for now. Quick updates on Central Park Damansara. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment in order for me to improve. Thank you again for your time and support. Please spread love to our life and please keep social distancing, guys. COVID-19 still out there. Bye from STYFLY Malaysia.